Good day, and welcome back to another amazing video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll teach you not just how to do it, but also how to scale it up and start making much more money. In today's video, you don't need a website, a credit card, or even a computer to participate, and you can do it from anywhere on the planet. This is going to be one of the most amazing videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to make money by doing nothing. This is free and it pays with people. Make sure to follow all the steps highlighted in this video. If you can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you, and you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe even earn more money. Now, first and foremost, I want you to go to Google and search for Unbounce. Then scroll down. You'll go to unbounce.com, which is the official website for the landing page builder and platform. Go ahead and click this link to see the official website of Unbounce. We'll use this website to make money online in today's session. I'm gonna show you something really cool right now. You might be earning as much as $320, $880, or even $1,600 right now. It's only a rough estimate of how much money you could make if you stick around. Now, to refresh your memory, Unbounce is a tool that allows users to construct several landing pages and websites. I'll teach you how to easily and quickly automate a tenfold increase in your existing income. Okay, so let me show you how Unbounce functions. Customers can use Unbounce to design attractive landing pages and websites. Allow me to demonstrate some of the websites that Unbounce can build. You may find examples on a variety of websites, and they've even supplied several right here. You can return to these examples later if you want. You don't need to be concerned because we won't be creating any websites or films, and we won't require any technological skills or knowledge. I simply want to demonstrate how beneficial the Unbounce platform is and allowing our team to develop stunning websites like this one. Now that I've shown you how to use Unbounce, I'll teach you how to use it. I want to demonstrate how their partner program can help us make a lot of money. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page, go to unbounce.com homepage, and then under the company section, click on Partner Program, which will take you to this page. You can see that for every referral, you can earn $20 in recurring revenue. They pay you every month in recurring revenue commission. That is why this is a fantastic website. This refers to the first time you set up the system every month, you can continue to make recurring commissions. Let me show you the 3 distinct Unbounce pricing choices available to you, all of which are completely free and you are under no obligation to purchase anything, and the purpose of today's video is to refer and promote Unbounce to others. As you can see, $90 per month, $135 per month, and even $225 per month are all viable options. So as you can see, the most lucrative monthly income package is $225. Let me now demonstrate your website's earning potential. $300 a month for a year is $2,700. Isn't that amazing? If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. From there, we'll receive 20% of the commission, which means that we'll be able to earn $540 from a single customer with only one click. Without putting in much effort, you can easily earn $540 from a single customer. we can make a lot of money by promoting and referring Unbounce to others in a very simple, free, and automatic way. If you wish to join the Unbounce Partner Program for free, all you have to do is click the Sign Up Now button, and then, to fully join up for a free account with Unbounce Partner Program, you must answer a few questions. As you can see, you're all set to join the Unbounce team. You'll be directed to this page where you'll simply need to enter your email address and establish a password. Finally, click the Sign Me In option to go to the dashboard of your new account. To receive your unique referral link, you must first accept the terms of service after successfully registering your account. Now, by clicking this button, you'll consent to it and you'll be able to sign up for a free account with the Unbounce Partner Program. You can now see how many clicks you'll get, how many referrals they'll get, and of course, how much money you've already earned on the summary page. Since this is a brand new account, you don't have any earnings yet, but you'll soon start earning a lot of commissions using the exact strategy. So, click on the links button here and dismiss, and it will see your unique viral link, and all you have to do now is click on the copy button there to copy it. Now, for the next step, I'd like you to go to Quora and create a free account using either Google or Facebook. Once you've successfully created an account on Quora, we can begin posting content and answering questions. Quora is essentially a forum where a big number of people participate. Users can post a variety of photos and videos, as well as ask and answer questions on this site. This is where you can get a lot of free, highly focused visitors. So from there, go to the search bar, which is located right here. I want you to type in the keyword, "How do you create a landing page?" And that will take you to a page where you can find different questions that people are asking about, like how to create landing pages, and some people are answering them, and this is gonna be your best opportunity to refer and get free traffic to the Unbounce website by using your referral link, and you'll be able to earn 20% of the recurring revenue and commission, depending on which pack you refer. The more expensive packages they select, the more money you earn, as they demonstrated with a maximum commission profits of up to $540. This is a fantastic way to get started as a complete beginner. All you have to do now is click the Answer button, which will open a box where you can input your answers including your referral link, and then click on the Submit button. Now, you should be aware that this is a highly effective strategy, and if you want to keep making money, simply search for phrases like how to construct a website, since Unbounce allows its client to do so as well, as the possibilities are endless. Simply keep searching for new terms and answering different questions in Quora while leaving your referral link to gain a lot of free traffic, and that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make money by doing nothing. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video, which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.